Hi, everybody. So I want to take a few minutes to go over what we have planned for this week for our craft kits for the kids. This is the craft kit. We have little froggies on it. This week on Monday, today, we have our marble maze. So everybody gets a marble right here and some straws. And also in the video, I'm going to show you how to make a marble maze using other things besides straws. So if you have other things around the house, great, I'm going to show you what to do. Tuesday is our Zoom story time, and if you haven't already signed up for Zoom story time, please send me an email, bcurry@appl.info, or message us on Facebook, and I'll get you the code to come into Zoom story time. And once you have the code, it's good for the end of summer, so at the end of July 25th, I believe. Anyway, this week, the craft, we're making a frog. So this is the craft. Cute little frog. And then Tuesday afternoon, the crazy science lady, Miss Betty, she will be doing, I gotta look at the calendar because there's so many dates in my brain, walking water. And I saw this, it's really cool how she can make water walk. And of course you get to learn a new superpower. Wednesday, our special guest reader this week, all the way from the North Pole, Santa. He came down from his vacation and he read us a book. It is a cute little book. So I'm so excited that Santa came and read to us and let me film him. I'm so excited. Thursday is this craft. It's 3D caterpillars. So you have 2 sheets in here, and you also have a popsicle stick. That's Thursday. And then Friday is our recorded story time, and we are making a 3D unicorn. So I will walk you through how to make this 3D unicorn. It's super cute, super cute. Okay. And that's it for this week. I hope everybody's enjoying what we are doing this summer. I hope the crafts have been fun. I hope that our guest readers have been entertaining. I hope that our crazy science lady has been wacky and crazy. Anyway, please let us know how we're doing. And we're starting to plan for fall. So that will be out within the next few weeks. We'll have a schedule out by the end of July. I would definitely say by the end of July, because we're starting in August, the first week in August. So yeah. So anyway, hope you have a great week, and we'll see you later. Bye.